Wel, bore da I chi, Ysgol Hen Richard, a croeso i Gwasanaeth ar fore Mercher. Dwi wedi symud nôl i'r swyddfa erbyn heddiw. Mae'n braf o mae'n braidd yn oerach y tu allan. Well, good morning to you all and welcome to a Wednesday morning's assembly. I've moved back into my office this week for the assembly. It is sunny outside, but somewhat colder. Wel, mae'r wythnos dros y lle yn bach I fi, achos I ddechrau peth, mae Gwasanaeth ar fore Mercher. A chi'n gwybod, cystal y fi, mae Gwasanaeth ysgol gyfan yn digwydd ar fore llun. The week is all over the place, somewhat for me, this week, because to start with, the whole school assembly is happening on a Wednesday. And we all know that the whole school assembly occurs on a Monday. Felly, be mae'r wythnos I fi nawr? Mae fe allan o routine rhywfaint, allan o drefen. So the week is somewhat out of routine, out of order. It's not maybe running as it has been running over the last few weeks maybe. Oeddi hyn yn digwydd gyda chi? Does this happen with you? That you maybe not follow the same routine and then it's difficult to juggle things around. Oeddi hwnna'n digwydd? Wel, fi'n credu bod yn bwysig I fod yn eitha trefnus. I think it is important to be quite organised. Just because really, chi'n neud siŵr bod chi'n cyflawni pethau falle ar amser. Mae trefn i'r diwrnod, mwyn gweithio, cael amser rhydd falle. Bwyd cywir, trefnu hwnna yn daclus yn ystod y dydd. Importance of being organised, making sure things get done maybe. The day is organised, you plan your day in terms of work maybe. Some exercise, organise your meals during the day. A mae hwnna nawr yn mor bwysig yn ystod y cyfnod hyn. This is so important during this time. Enghraifft, I fi adre fan hyn nawr, dwi'n gweithio o'r cartre, sefyll yn ddiogel adre. Mae'n wraig yn gweithio adre. Mae'n mhlant yn gweithio adre. Felly mae'n bwysig ni cael trefen fel bod ni'n gallu hwyluso pethau I bawb. It's important that we've got a plan in place. Because, for example, I'm at home, working from home, keeping safe at home. My wife is working at home, and my kids are also working at home. So we've got to be structured, organised, so that everybody can complete their daily tasks. Felly, mae trefen dy fi fel arfer o ran yn ddiwrnod. Bydden ni'n codi tua 6 falle. Golchi danedd, molchi, yna mynd ati ddechrau bach o waith. Tua 8 o gloch wedyn, byswn yn cael brecwast gyda'r teulu. Bydden ni wedyn falle mynd nôl I gwaith tua 7:30. Ac yna, fel mae'r dydd yn ymlaen, egwyl am 9:45, nôl I gwaith am tua 10:10, Cino 10:12, nôl I gwaith tua 1, egwyl bach yn ganol y prawn, tua 2:45 falle, a wedyn nôl I neu bach o waith tan tua 5 o gloch. A wedyn, ar ôl hynny, falle am bach o amser I ymlacio. Treulio amser gyda'r teulu, mynd am wac fach allan i'r fferm falle, o bach o awyr iach yn fwy penodol. A wedyn gobeithio cael swper falle erbyn 7:30. So, usually my order is getting up at 6 in the morning, washing my teeth, having a wash, going to start work then, and then about 8 o'clock, having some breakfast with the family. 8:30, back to work, and then say about 10:15, have a break, have a cup of tea, back to work at 10:30. Lunch then about 12:30. Back to work at 1. Then maybe a break mid-afternoon, 2:45, maybe a cup of tea again, and then complete the day around 5 o'clock maybe. After that then try and have some fresh air, relaxation, maybe go for a walk out on the farm, and then supper by 6:30. Felly, mae braslun o drefn, dy fi. Dwi e ddim yn digwydd fel a bob dydd. Mae rhai pethau'n torri draws wrth gwrs. A falle byddwn ni'n gwneud rhywbeth ychwanegol yn y nos. So I've got some sort of plan for the day. It doesn't work every single day. Something might cut across it, but that's totally natural. Ond wrth cael rhyw fath o gynllun, mae fe'n neud siŵr bod pethau'n cael ei gyflawni. Okay? By trying to show that there is a plan, I try to ensure that things get done. And also, at home, when everybody's working together, it makes things easier to work together, collaborate together. Okay? Mae fe'n neud pethau lawer haws os chi'n adre bod rhyw fath o drefn da chi I cydweithio, mam a dad yn gweithio ac yn y blaen. Mae fe'n helpu ni gyd I sicrhau bod pethau'n cael ei wneud, ond yn bwysicach falle bod pawb yn cadw'n iach. Bod chi'n trefnu prydau bwyd taclus yn ystod y dydd. It's important to plan those meals across the day, having those set breaks. Cael yr awyr iach na, sicrhau making sure that you get some fresh air. Organise even that you're drinking water throughout the day. Mae hwnna mor bwysig. Mae yfed dŵr yn ystod y dydd yn sicrhau bod chi'n gallu cyflawni mwy I weud gwir. Drinking water throughout the day keeps you hydrated and does make sure that you complete more, make more, have more of an impact on your day. Whether it's working or fresh air, and you feel much happier when you're drinking water regularly. Felly, o ran thema'n gwasanaeth fi heddiw, cynllunio a trial cael rhywbeth o drefn. Okay? So the main focus of this assembly has been today is planning, organising the day, trying to make things easier for ourselves. It'll help us with our work, organise, making sure everybody can work together, because it can become stressful at times that 4 of us round the kitchen table working. Mae fe'n gallu bod yn anodd ar y degau, bod 4 o'n ni felly, rownd y bwrdd yn gweithio. Ond mae'r fath o drefn na yn rhoi tipyn o help. Felly, dwi yn cynllunio wythnos nesa, a yn fy nghynllun, mae gwasanaeth ar ddydd Llun. Okay, I am planning next week, and in my plan, there'll be an assembly on Monday. Bydd na I siarad chi pryd hynny. I will speak to you then and share the video again. Cofiwch rannu mi pa sgiliau chi wedi bod yn datblygu. Remember to send me the skills that you've been developing. Can you share those on your posts in your year groups, please? Yn eich dosbarthiadau, os allwch chi rhannu hwnna yn Teams ar y posts, bydd hwnna'n gret, achos dwi wir yn gwerthfawrogi eich ymatebion yn rhannu pa sgiliau, a mae fe'n rili gyffroes. So if you can share those skills on the Teams posts in your classes, I really am excited about the different skills that have been developed with everybody since the assembly, but during this period. Beth mwyaf pwysig, cadwch yn ddiogel a cadwch yn iach. The most important thing is keep healthy and keep safe. Bore da I chi, mwynhewch gweddill yr wythnos. Good morning to you and enjoy the rest of the week.